Good morning. Today is Wednesday, October 29th, and we're looking at the Australian dollar US dollar trade that I put on a few days back and shared with you in the video. We bought this market right in here. Remember, the market consolidated greatly. Now this is obviously considered a counter trend move. We're going against the short-term trend here on the daily chart. As you can see, the bars are red. The market's been trending down. We've actually really started pulling down below the blue action zone, which basically just tells you that you got a lot of downside momentum. Okay, our first bounce right up in here, right, provided it is a nice resistance point, which is synonymous with pretty much looking to sell this market short. Came down, tested that low, and then we consolidated for a while, and as you can see in here, the market really consolidated, and so I decided to put on a trade as the market broke up through this consolidation zone at 88.35. First profit target, if you recall, at 88.80. Okay, second profit target 88.95. As you can see, the market rallied up. Today's high so far is 88.91. So the first profit target's been hit. We're roughly 4 pips away from the 88.95 because the high so far is 88.91 and a half. Okay, our initial risk on this trade was 44 pips. But now what you would want to do is you would want to move the trailing stop, the sell stop, up to below. Let's change this number. We would move it up to below today's intraday low, which is 88.48. I'd go 88.46, right? 88.46 would be where the remaining portion of your position would be moved. So now it not only becomes a free trade, but you're locking in 11 pips, waiting for that second profit target to hit at 88.95. And then on the remaining portion of the position, I would choose to trail that up even further, looking for that hot pink line, which is the 50 exponential moving average, to get hit next, which would be about 89.34. Okay, right up in here. So as of right now, that was a profitable trade, right? Profitable trade at 88.80. We're looking for that second profit target to get hit, and right now you can't lose on the trade. You're locking in 11 pips on the remaining portion. One more trade that's setting up for today I want to shout out to you here is JO, the ETF of coffee, Bloomberg's coffee ETF. Okay? As you can see, this market's pulled back quite a bit from these highs. Right? We've had a couple of gaps. Gap lower, we've moved lower. Had a big sell-off on this day here. Had an inside pattern. We were not able to break up through that high. Instead, we made a lower high and a lower low, followed by an inside pattern here, followed by a bullish engulfing pattern, right? Took out the high and the low of the prior day, closing higher. Okay? This trade setup, you'd be risking about 81 cents. I would look to enter. Looks like it's going to open up a little higher, 3 cents higher, about 36.21. If it opens up at 36.21 or lower, you could buy it with an initial catastrophic stop below 35.50 to 35.40. So you'd be risking less than a full point on this, and I would expect a move to try to retest the 37.62 area. Okay, so have a profitable day. Hope that helps. I'll be back with you tomorrow. Bye.